Good morning, students. Welcome in your computer studies online class, children. This is video of chapter 9, part 1. Okay, working with arrays and strings. Let's start, children. First of all, we come to know what is array. So we have introduction to array. An array is a variable representing a collection of homogeneous type of elements. Arrays are useful to represent vector, matrix, and other multidimensional data. Vector is one-dimensional, 1D data structure that can be used to store list of items like characters, numbers. Matrix is used to represent two-dimensional data structure like table of rows and column. Array are useful when same operations are to be performed on various elements of the similar kind of. All the elements of an array are stored in memory using contiguous storage space. Each element is identified by index position associated with array variable. In Java, array is an object used to manage list of items. Okay, creating an array is a two-step process. Number one, हम array दो तरह से create कर सकते हैं. This is number one, declare an array object. Okay, here we declare. Secondly, we are having another option, create an array object. An array object can be created in two ways, using new operator and specifying the size of operators, right? Second, directly initializing the content of array. Let's see. First, we will see 1D array. Okay. Array with single dimension is known as 1D array. For example, vector. Vector is 1D array, which can be seen as a collection of one or more scalar variables. Children, remember one or more scalar variables. Instead of declaring individual variables like marks 1, marks 2, marks 3, marks 4, marks 5, we can declare array named marks, and in bracket we are writing 5. Okay, so rather than making the program more longer or cumbersome, we used to declare array marks 5, right? And accesses individual variables elements as marks 0, marks 1, marks 2, marks 3, marks 4. Children, in array, we are declaring 5 variables. Okay, means we are putting 5 marks. But this program will take the numbering from 0. Okay, so 0 to 9. So the number begins from 0. So it takes for marks 1, it takes number 0. Marks 2, it takes number 1. Marks 3, it takes number 3, and so on. For marks 5, it takes marks 4. To declare 1D array, we use pair of square brackets after array name or after data type. The syntax to declare array is as follows. Data type means because it is marks, so we can put integer. Okay, then array name integer. Array name हो गया यानी कि marks. In bracket, if we are putting 5, तो 5 students के marks लेगा. Or if we are putting the bracket, square bracket empty, so we can put any number of the marks entry. Okay, or data type bracket closed array name. We can put bracket before array name or we can put bracket after array name. For example, to store the marks obtained by a student in 5 tests in mathematics subjects. So we can use an array of 5 integer elements. Okay, array object named marks with size for 5 elements can be created as follows. Integer क्योंकि marks है यानी कि digits हैं तो उसके लिए data type आएगा integer. Integer marks and this is declare an array. और अगर हम बिना देकर बिना नंबर दिए बॉक्स में या स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में इसे हमने डिक्लेयर किया. अब हम एरे क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. फॉर दैट मार्क्स इज इक्वल्स टू न्यू इंटीजर. न्यू इंटीजर इज अगेन व्हाट द नेम ऑफ द डेटा टाइप एंड 5 we are putting in square bracket. We can combine two steps and create array using a single statement also. which given as follows. Integer marks is equals to new integer 5. This way also you can put, or integer brackets marks is equals to new integer 5. Here name of the array is marks. It refers to memory location where 5 integer values are stored. Integer of integer data type uses 4 byte storage. Okay, integer data type 4 बाइट लेता है स्टोरेज स्पेस फॉर पर्टिकुलर हर एक नंबर के लिए. दस एरे मार्क्स रिक्वायर्स कितने हैं हमारे पास 5 into 4, तो 20 बाइट्स इट विल टेक. इट इज अ कंटीजियस लोकेशन, कंटिन्यू लोकेशन लेता है बच्चों मेमोरी स्पेस में. टू रेफर एन एलिमेंट ऑफ एन एरे वी यूज इंडेक्स और सबस्क्रिप्ट इन स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट after array variable name as shown in 9.1 here in this figure. Index specifies the position of element in an array. For example, marks 2. Okay, index value starts from 0. So you can see children in this example, integer marks we are not declaring here how many marks. Okay, so is equals to we are putting only the marks 90, 60, 70, 65, 80. हमने 5 वैल्यूज डाल दी मार्क्स के लिए, मार्क्स एरे के लिए. तो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे कहाँ से? इंडेक्स वैल्यू एलिमेंट रेफरेंस कहाँ से शुरू होता है, या इंडेक्स रेफरेंस इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 0. तो मार्क्स 0 यानी कि मार्क्स 1, उसके मार्क्स कितने हैं 90. मार्क्स 1 यानी कि ये नंबर 2 60, मार्क्स 2 यानी नंबर 3 70, मार्क्स 3 यानी नंबर 4 65 एंड मार्क्स 4 यानी कि 5th marks that is 80. So if we are putting for 5, it will take 4 index value from 0 to 4. Okay, because each integer takes how many bytes? 4. Or we are multiplying these 5 in 0 to 4 means 5 numbers into 4. हर एक के लिए 4 bytes, so 20 bytes it takes. I hope you got it, children. In figure 9.1, the array variable marks has an index value from 0 to 4. Here mark 0 refers to the first element and marks 4 refers to the last or 5th element. I hope you got it, students. An array is an object, so it is element. Its elements are initialized with default values. Here figure 9.2 shows the example how an array is used in Java programs. Here we are using class array. Class means program array 1. Public static void main. We are starting string. Okay. Integer marks. Marks is equals to new integer यानी कि 7 मार्क्स ले रहा है बच्चों. हमें इसमें 7 मार्क्स की एंट्री देनी है और ये काउंट भी करेगा क्या 7 मार्क्स एंटर हो गए. फॉर इंटीजर वी आर कीपिंग काउंटर दैट इज आई. काउंटर अभी कहाँ पर है 0 पर यानी कि फर्स्ट मार्क्स पर. I is equals to 0 means हम अभी कहाँ हैं 0. Is I less than 7? क्या I 7 से कम हो गया? अगर नहीं तो यानी 7 से कम है I तो ठीक है, तो हमें यहाँ पर 6 तक जाना है. 7 से कम यानी 6. Is I less than 7? If no, then I plus plus यानी I में एक प्लस प्लस करते रहेंगे, मार्क्स की एंट्री होती रहेगी. So marks 0 is equals to 0. मार्क्स 1 के भी मार्क्स 2, मार्क्स 3, मार्क्स 4. इस तरह से हमने काउंटर दिया है बच्चों कि वो 7 सब्जेक्ट्स की या 7 मार्क्स की एंट्री लेगा. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर कीपिंग व्हाट आई प्लस जे इज प्लस मार्क्स आई. ओके, सो हियर वी आर पुटिंग व्हाट मार्क्स 6 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. हमने मार्क्स किसी के भी नहीं दिए पर हमने मार्क्स का एक क्राइटेरिया बना दिया दैट इज इंडेक्स वैल्यू फ्रॉम 0 to 6, 7 subjects. Okay. One can specify the initial value of data elements while declaring an array. 1D is initialized using comma. Okay. And value separated, comma separated values of data element in curly brackets. See, अगर हम marks दे रहे हैं यहाँ पे तो 90 के बाद comma integer marks is equals to 90, 70, 77. All are separated by comma. Remember this, children. Let's see again. Elements of array are specifying a subscript. A subscript is also called index. Subscript is start from 0 and cannot be negative. Means minus में नहीं जा सकता. There are two types of array. 1D means one dimensional array जो वेक्टर कहलाती है, and multi-dimensional array जो कि मैट्रिक्स कहलाती है. We can perform various other operations on array. For example, compare two arrays. Copy all the elements of array to another. Search for a specified element in array. किसी हम element को ढूंढ रहे हैं array में. Sort elements of array and so on. इस तरह के operations हम array पे कर सकते हैं. ऐसे programs arrays पे बना सकते हैं. For all such operations, we may write procedure as we did for finding average of elements. Instead of writing such code ourselves, we can use various static methods provided by Java using java.utilityArray class. So in Java, array is treated as an object of this array class. Okay. We can sort method. We can use sort method to sort entire or part of array. We can use only array as an argument. It sorts the entire array. Like अगर हमने marks दिए हैं 35, 40, then 78, then 12, then 9, तो हम marks को sort भी कर सकते हैं, numbers को sort कर सकते हैं. उसके लिए भी हम array में programming कर सकते हैं. When we invoke this method with three arguments, array start last. It sorts the partial array from element at index starts to element at index last one. For example, the method called java utility array dot sort list 1, 5. अगर हम ये देंगे तो that will sort elements of array list from list 1 से लेकर list 5 तक. So that will be taking as 5 minus 1 or 5 to 1. Sort that was. Okay, now we start method fill. Fill is used to fill the whole or partial array with specified value. When method is invoked with two arguments, array and value. So value means the array के element और उनकी value. Okay, उनके marks या उनकी value जो भी. It assigns a specified value to all array elements. When it is invoked with 4 arguments, इसमें कितने arguments चाहिए? 4. Array, start, last, value. It fills partial array from element at start last 1 with specified value. For example, fill list 7. It assigns 7 to all elements of this list array. And whereas fill list 2, 6, 5, it assigns value 5 to element list 2 and to list 6 to 1. To search an element in array class provides binary search. अगर हमें कोई element search करना है तो उसके लिए binary search method use होता है. We will write our own method to search an element in array using linear search. Okay, linear search method does not element by element comparison in a serial fashion. Refer code listing and its output given in 9.7. Now we go to 2D array. Two-dimensional array are used to store tabular data in this form of rows and columns. For example, to store 5 student marks in 3 tests. So we can use a tabular arrangement for marks in 5 rows and 3 columns क्योंकि 5 student हैं और उनके 3 टेस्ट के marks हमें enter करने हैं. In mathematics, we call it as a matrix of 5 rows and 3 columns where each element contains marks. You can see, children. Row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3 columns. This 1, 2, 3. So this is what two-dimensional. Dimension 1 and dimension 2. Okay. In Java, 2D array can be declared using array name and 2 pairs of square brackets. Okay. To specify the size of two-dimension arrow. Two-dimensional rows and columns respectively. For example, following statement declares and creates an array named marks to store 5 into 3 is equals to 15 integer values in contiguous memory location. Okay. So integer marks brackets square brackets open and close 2 times is equals to new integer पहले में 5 और दूसरे में 3 यानी 5 स्टूडेंट और उनके 3 टेस्ट के मार्क्स. So index starts here, children. In marks 5, 3, it creates 1D array objects of 5 element. Each element is 1D array object. Okay. 5 स्टूडेंट के 3 मार्क्स. एलिमेंट रेफरेंसिंग यूजिंग इंडेक्सेस 0 1 2 3 4. Now declaration and initialization of 2D arrays is very similar to 1D array, except the number of dimensions in 2D arrays, each row is considered as 1D array element. Thus, like 1D array initialization, each row is initialized by enclosing its element in a pair of curly brackets separated by comma. To initialize 2D array, all these initialized arrows to be enclosed with curly brackets separating them by comma. So students, here you can see the examples, okay, of arrays, 2D arrays, right? Okay, in Java, 2D array is considered as an array of 1D array. So rows of 2D arrays can have variable number of columns. So you can see 9.12 in this figure. It shows how to use 2D arrays of characters to store 5 names of computer programming language, right? So the here you can see char we are taking character wise, okay. Char क्योंकि ये नाम है तो character data type आएगा. Char names bracket open closed curly bracket here starts first curly second curly bracket में every character is written in single quote, okay. अगर string होता एक पूरा नाम JAVA Java एक complete नाम होता तो we will keep it in double quotes not separated by comma, okay. So here we are using what single quotes, got it? क्योंकि हम सिंगल नाम लिख रहे हैं, सिंगल कैरेक्टर लिख रहे हैं पूरी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज का. So here it is written char names, name is the variable name for array, fine. So you can see here Java, C++ हर एक को हमने curly bracket में लिखा है and separated by comma plus every character is each and every character is inside the single quotes and element starts with I. So I is the here from name I and 0, right? So 0 to I and name I tak. Let's see. So names is the array name referencing variable. Names में names 0, names 1, names 2, names 3, names 4 यानी कि 5 एलिमेंट हैं हमारे पास 0 से लेकर 4 तक और उनकी वैल्यूज. Got it? So you can see 2D array with variable number of columns. Now points to be remembered children. Array is a collection of homogeneous type of data. Array elements can be accessed using index for each dimension in square bracket. Index values always starts with 0. Multi-dimensional arrays can have variable size second, third and so on. And dimensions. We are having these many dimensions. Attribute length is used to determine the size of dimensions. Array is treated as an object. Declaring an array without initialization does not create any array object. Okay. So we will be continuing in next session children. I hope you have understood. Please along with the video go through your textbook. It will help you a lot to understand the contents. Thank you children. See you next session. Thank you. God bless you.